Hi everyone! So my plan is to make a couple of different videos about how you can make certain household toys, experiences, and materials at your own house with things that you probably already have. So today I'm going to show you how you can make shakers if you don't happen to have any instruments at your house, using just a cup, rice, and paper and tape. You also don't have to use rice to make these cups. You can use anything you have in your house, like beans, beads, buttons, macaroni. Really anything that you have that you think would make an interesting sound when you shake it would be great. It's really easy. Your children will love these. You can sing along songs as they shake them, and it's just a really easy thing to make. So I'm gonna pour rice into a little paper cup, and this works with any kind of cup that you have in your house. I'm gonna put some paper on top because I made one with just tape on top and it's sticking to it. So any kind of tape you have, you can just kind of shut off the top so none of the rice is falling out. So I'm just going to tape this along the edges. And then this also works if you have a rubber band, if you have glue and you want to try to secure it even more, that's great. It's really simple. This just took me like not even a minute. So now I can shake it, you can turn it upside down and shake it. If you make a couple different ones, they make different sounds. So I think that would be a really fun, easy music experience if you want to make some shakers.